Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on an in-depth tour of Senpu Acrylic Factory's products. The acrylic we produce is versatile and suitable for a variety of scenarios. Demonstrating functionality and aesthetics in a wide range of industries, take a look. In retail environments, our acrylic displays and shelves offer a sleek and modern appearance while effectively showcasing merchandise. From cosmetics to electronics, our products enhance product visibility and contribute to an attractive shopping experience. For museums and galleries, our expertise in acrylic fabrication shines through in custom display cases and protective covers. These transparent barriers offer optimal visibility and protection for valuable artifacts, ensuring preservation without compromising aesthetic presentation. Architectural applications benefit from our acrylic sheets and panels, which are used in interior partitions, decorative elements, and exterior cladding. From lobby displays to bar counters, our custom-made acrylic pieces elevate the ambience while providing practical solutions that withstand daily use and maintenance. The versatility of acrylic allows for creative designs while offering durability and weather resistance, making it a preferred choice for both residential and commercial projects. In the signage industry, our precision-cut acrylic letters and logos provide businesses with distinctive branding solutions, whether illuminated or non-illuminated. Our signage products offer visibility and durability, enhancing brand recognition and visibility in both indoor and outdoor settings. Education institutions benefit from our acrylic products in various ways, from laboratory equipment to classroom displays. The durability and clarity of acrylic enhance learning environments by providing functional solutions that are both safe and visually appealing. Furthermore, our acrylic factory supports creative industries with custom-designed art installations, sculptures, theatrical props, and more. As a leading provider of acrylic solutions, we continue to innovate and expand our product offerings to meet the evolving needs of different industries. If you have any needs or questions, please feel free to contact us. Learn more about our products and after-sales service. We look forward to providing you with more quality acrylic solutions.